Pod. So we're back and I have an unboxing today. So I'm gonna install my Klock Werks, y'all. My Klock Werks windscreen here. So I have the 6-inch one and I have the dark screen, the blacked out smoke one. I didn't want to go with a 9-inch or taller or anything because everybody knows I'm a shorter rider. And I heard it's still pretty good with wind deflection or whatnot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install it, let you guys see me put it on, and we're gonna see how it looks on EJ. I gotta get them all ready because we are riding out in the morning to go down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, down to Harley Week. So I'm definitely been doing a couple other things, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and install my windscreen. So let's go ahead and get the tools ready. Oh, first, I think I need to pull it out so you guys can see it first. Pop open this box here. And I've heard a lot of good things about Klock Werks, so that's why I chose this windscreen for this particular brand. Tape. Pull them on out. That's almost out of here. All right. Let's go ahead and get it unwrapped. And I see it has some tape here around the windscreen. So I'm definitely gonna leave that part on because while I'm installing it, I definitely don't want to get my fingerprints and smudges all over it. So this is what it looks like here so far. And like I said, it's the 6-inch one. So I'm gonna lay it on top of this plastic and get my Phillips screwdriver here. Yeah, this little guy, dude. You don't need anything too long. So let's see this. Alright, I'm gonna start on this side, guys. I'll do my outside one-on-ones here first. And you don't have to unscrew them all the way out. You just want to loosen them up when you're unscrewing them here because they have little slits in them that you're just pretty much gonna slide them down on. So you don't have to pull them all the way out. But in the meantime, y'all, I've been getting a lot of things done to EJ here. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna do another video to show you guys some other things that I've gotten done to my bike here. And some other tips that I have discovered as a shorter rider that I can't wait to share. So, and I do have to do a plug-in video about a product I received from a company. So after I take this ride down to Myrtle Beach, I will be reviewing that product for you guys to let you all know how it worked out for me and what it was. So be looking for that. I know it's been a while since I talked to you guys too, but we're back, Tip Squad. Been kind of busy, and EJ's been in the shop, like I said. Let's see if we got them all loosened up here. Like I said, you just want to loosen it. You do not want to pull them all the way out. Alright. Let's loosen them just a little bit more. I thought I pulled them out enough, but apparently I need to get them out a little bit more. Pull those washers up from behind there. All right, guys, I think it's ready to be pulled up. Now I don't want to lay that down and scratch up. All right. Too easy. Too easy. Pulled right off. See, these are the slots that I was telling you about, little slits that that sits right on top, so you don't have to take the whole screw out. All right, let's just sit it on over this way. We'll just stick it in this box for now. All right. Holding a new one here, and I'm gonna leave it plus. I'm just gonna pull it up a little to expose the little slits here, so I can place it down. But however, like I said, you don't want to pull it all the way off, so you're not just putting your smudgy fingers or putting fingerprints all over your windscreen. All right. Let's see, guys. All right. This first one here, the inside, it has a little curve to it, so you want to get that on and kind of slide it down. There we go. And the corners which fit right on. It's just the inside ones that have like a little curve to them. So you have to put them on and kind of, like I said, slide them around the curve there. And then this tape want to slide right back in. All right, guys, I'm already making a mistake here. Let's see. Make sure that you put the washers in front of your windscreen. See, now I got to get that buddy up. There we go. So it can be secured down. There we go. All right. Make sure you get the washer in front. And I also have to do this side too. Did it over here too. All right. Now we're in there. I'll pull the tape up a little bit more so I can hold it up top here. So now that I have all the slits down and I have the washers in front, so I can go ahead and tighten up the bolts back in. All right. All right, let's go ahead and screw them on in. I'm gonna start with the inside one here. And this is pretty easy to do for all other ladies and gentlemen who prefer to do this. This is pretty simple, so. And it's pretty quick. It doesn't take much effort at all to get done. And of course, you guys know I went with the black because I have black on my bike. I don't have the chrome, so of course black will look better to tint it out. So we're almost done. And of course, I'm gonna go back through and make sure I got them up there pretty good. And then we'll pull the tape off and reveal how it looks. All right, let's peel the plastic off. Voila, there it is. So I will say Klock Werks, that looks pretty good. I like it. See, you can do the smallest things to your bike and it'll give it a different look, a simple thing of a windscreen. And like I said, it's something simple, something easy to do. I've definitely done a lot more than this, but this is just what I'm gonna show you for now because I'm definitely gonna have another video to give you a whole rundown as to like what I've done to my bike or had done to it. I've made it more comfortable for me. Like I said, I have another tip coming about if you're a short rider, like what made it like really good for me. So I can't wait for it in the morning. Hopefully I'll see some of you guys down at Harley Week and if I go down next week as well. So, all right, Tip Squad. Until next time, peace.